at International Women's Day, we are celebrating it for the two reasons. First is celebrating the success, achievements and contributions of all the women in every field. And secondly, taking an oath on improving the gender diversity and giving the more women empowerment.
As they say in China, women hold up half our sky. At eValueServe in China, women hold up more than half our sky.
I reaffirm my commitment to driving and supporting diversity and inclusion. And I choose to challenge any bias, conscious or subconscious, that I encounter. And I will always try to find ways where we can be better and do better.
In the Romanian tradition, I'm offering you this symbol of spring, and I wish you a brighter year than the one we all experienced, full of success and good health.
And a special shout out to all the working mothers and wives for being so effectively able to manage both your careers and your families.
A big thank you for all the role that you play, also combining and taking care of your personal as well as professional commitment is something which is fabulous.
The theme which we have decided this year, Choose to Challenge, I think that's historical. One of the biggest example of Rani Lakshmibai, how she has challenged herself and we all witnessed for it. I think I would like to highlight two a very current state where these two women have challenged themselves and they are on the star. First is Hima Das. She has 5 gold medals and now she is the youngest DCP Assam. The second one, which is the recent one, and she is the first runner-up, being an auto driver's daughter. I think these are such a powerful stories where women are challenging themselves and they are going to the different level. So I think they are the creators. Nobody can compare with them. I think whenever they challenge themselves, they reach to the highs.
Let's all choose the challenge to call out inequality, bias, question stereotypes, and help forge an inclusive world.
I challenge you to embrace the resilience and flexibility of working moms.
My wife is pursuing a PhD degree in epidemiology, and I wholeheartedly support her for bridging the gap of the gender differences in the STEM field.
I choose to challenge status quo, biases, broken systems, stereotypes. I know it's been a difficult year for each one of us, but I am proud to see the resilience and relentless determination shown by each one of you.
She's a magic because despite the circumstances, she continues to spread her light.
Gender bias and inequality, to celebrate women's achievement all over the world.
To make choices in my life independently.
I will maintain gender equality and conduct. I will help forge gender equal world.
I choose to challenge myself to complete a trekking expedition successfully.
A woman in every stage of life, they accept challenge that comes their way.
I break all barriers that restrict my horizon.
Yes, I would like to support more women to come up as leaders because I believe this will give them a better chance for the future.
No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. As a mother, I have raised my kids gracefully.
I choose to respect all women for their contributions to the society.
I would like to challenge myself to become a more knowledgeable person than who I am.
I'm going to wish every woman a very happy Women's Day. This is a great honor and it's our privilege to wish and celebrate this historical day.
Congratulations to all the women colleagues at eValueServe.
Happy International Women's Day.
On behalf of the entire leadership team in eValueServe China, I wish all of you a very happy Women's Day.
A very happy International Women's Day to all our women colleagues.
Thank you and a big salute to you.